Hello friends, I hope you all are good, you all are doing well. So we will learn today another topic. We will learn some of the rules for addition, multiplication and subtraction. These rules are applicable for all kinds of number. We will understand about these rules with the help of integers. You know what are integers? Integers are those numbers which include both positive as well as negative numbers and 0. So how do we represent integer in number line? I have told about this in my earlier video. We take 0 as center of the number line, and then if we move towards right, it will represent positive number, and if we move towards left, it will represent negative numbers. Here I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4. These are positive values, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, 5, 6 and continuation. Then here we will write -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. So as we move towards the left side, we get negative number, and as we move towards the right side, we get positive numbers. We can also see that the distance of the 1 or the distance from 0 to 2 is the same as in positive direction, as well as the distance from 0 to -2 or the distance from 0 to 2 in left side is also same. Means all the numbers in the number line are equally spaced. Okay, so we will learn addition rule first of all. What is addition rule? That is, if I want to add 2 to 3, what will be the answer? If I want to add 2 plus 3, you all know the answer will be 5. But with the help of number line, how I can explain this? Where is 2? Here it is 2. I have to add 2 to 3, as the positive number is to be added to the positive number, so I have to move towards the right side. Here the number 2 is here. Now I have to add 3, means I will jump 3 times from 2. 1, 2 and 3. I reached to number 5, so the answer will be 5. Here the number is 1 and 2 here, then I have to jump 3 times, 1, 2 and 3. The result is 5. The answer will be 5. Then if I want to add 2 and if I want to add -2 and -3, what will be the answer? Let's see. Here is -2. I want to add -2, or the magnitude is 2 but in negative direction. The value is 2, 1 and 2 but in negative direction, left side. Then I have to jump 3 more. Then I reach here -2. Then I have to add 3, but it has negative sign, so I have to move in left direction up 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. What will we get the result? Where we reached? We reached to -5. So the result will be here -5. Okay. And where is +5? +5 is here. Where is -5? -5 is here. You all notice that the distance of the +5 from the 0 is this much, and the distance from the -5 to the 0 is also same. Means this distance, if this distance is x, so this distance will also be x. The difference is of the direction only. So from here we learned an important rule, that if two integers have the same sign, they will be added. If two integers have same signs, they will be added. Like here 2 has sign plus and 3 has sign plus, so they both have plus sign, or they both are positive numbers, so they will be added. And here 2 has negative sign and also 3 has negative sign. So if I write -2 -3, it means the addition will take place and the resultant will be with the same sign. Okay, the first rule I write here, addition rule. If two integers have the same sign, have the same sign, they will be added. Okay, now let's move towards subtraction rule. For example, again here I am drawing a number line. This is my number line. Oh, sorry, this is my number line. I write 0 as the center or the origin. If I move towards right, I will get positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. As I move towards left side, I get negative number -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 in left direction. Okay, subtraction rule. I want to subtract 3 from 5. Okay, the first question is subtract 5 from 3. Then where is 5? It is plus 5 or it has positive sign. If the number has no sign, means it has positive sign. Okay, so it is positive. Where is plus 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is plus 5. Now I have to subtract 3, means where is 3? 3 is here, but 3 is here also. It has negative sign, so I have to move to the negative direction, means to the left direction. Here it is 5. Now I have to move in left direction because 3 has sign negative. So 1, 2 and 3. Where I reached? I reached to number 2. So the answer will be 2. Okay. Now if I want to subtract, suppose 4 from -5, how it is possible? What will be the result? See here, where is 4? Plus 4 will be on the right side. It has positive sign, it is positive value. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here it is 4. Now I have to subtract 5. So I have to move left side because 5 has a negative sign and the negative direction shows me we have to move towards left. Okay, so subtract 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Where we reached? We reached to value -1. What we will get? Answer -1. Okay, so this was a representation through a number line. And normally we can say that it is not possible to subtract 4 - 5 like this as by traditional method, but with the help of number line we can do. So instead of writing this, write like this and subtract what will be the answer? 1. Now put the sign of the number which is bigger in value. 5 is more than 4. 5 has negative sign, so we'll give the sign here negative. The same situation was here, that 5 is more than 3, so 5 has the sign of positive. 5 has plus sign, so the resultant will be positive, or the resultant has plus sign. Okay, we can write here it as +2 or 2, both are same. Also we can this was so easy. So what is subtraction rule? Two integers having the different sign will be subtracted. Okay, two integers having different sign will be subtracted. Sorry for my bad handwriting, but yes, this is true. Okay, then two integers having the same sign will be subtracted, and the resultant value will have the sign of bigger number. Again, with the help of another example, I want to illustrate this. That is 8 minus 10. What will be the answer? Of course, if I subtract 10 from 8, I will get 2. But here I have to put which sign? I will put minus sign in the resultant answer because 10 is bigger than 8, so the resultant will be bigger. With the help of number line, I can also represent this. Here it is 6, then 7, suppose, then 8. Now if I move towards left, oh sorry, I don't have much space. Suppose it is 5, it is 5 here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Suppose. Then I have to subtract 8 from minus 10. Suppose here it is minus 10 and or suppose here it is plus 10. Okay, I have to subtract now 10 plus 10. I have to subtract minus 10. I have to subtract 10 digits moving towards left. I am moving towards left because it has minus sign, and minus sign indicates that left direction. So 8 minus 10 means I have to jump 10 times from here. I am moving left. Again I am saying because 10 has minus sign in it with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Where I reached? I reached to value minus 2. So I get answer as minus 2 with the help of number line. Now we will move towards another rule, that is multiplication rule. We have to understand what is multiplication rule in brief.
Subscribe.